Hey Non-Techie, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to edit email default styles in SquareSpace. First, you want to log into your SquareSpace site. Then you will go to Settings. In Settings, we will go to Customer Notifications. This will bring up your global email styles to be able to edit the email and update the various portions of your default emails. From here, you could change the email background to a different color. You can do the content background as a different color, the line colors that you have in your email here. You can update your fonts. They have a bit of a range for the fonts that are available. Then you can update your font sizes, make them bigger, make your headings a little larger. You can update your header, add your logo if you wanted to, add text, all of those pieces there for your header. Each menu has a different set of options. So if you had only text, you can have that here, your logo, and if you wanted a specific image for your headers here. For your footer, you can add your branding, your business information, any social links, your footer text. You can have it laid out to where it's stacked. You can update your colors and your fonts for this set of footer. So then you can update your buttons and set it to how you would like. Once you have everything to your liking, you can send a test email and you can also click save. Then a pop-up will come up and it'll say this public style changes to all of your customer notification emails. You'll click save. And now every one of your emails will have this look. So you'll see it change the template, but that design that we made are all updated across the board. So once you have your email set up, if you wanted to go in and edit a particular email, such as a order refunded, you can go in and update just this email and it will update only this one, not globally. If you wanted to edit your global email styles, you still can come in and update this as you go. So that is how to edit your email default styles in SquareSpace.